In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Iris shaders in Minecraft 1.21.5. So if you want to install it, of course, you will need to go and open a browser that you have in your PC. Just go and open whatever browser you want. For me, as an example, I do have this browser, so I'm going to open that. So you can go to this URL section, and all you need to do is simply go to CurseForge. So go and click on the first link right here, and this should take you here. So make sure to go and click on Minecraft, and here as an example on the search, we will have to go and look for Iris shaders. So just go and type that, so Iris shaders, and hit the enter button. So as you can see, you should find this here at the top. So here an example, if we go and click on it, as you can see, and you'll be able here to read about it. For me, I'm just going to click on files, and as you can see here, we'll be able to find all the files of it. So here what you'll have to look for is simply the game version, and it should be 1.21.5, and of course it should be this fabric. So you can just go and click on the three dots and click on download file. Once you click on that, as you can see, it will be downloaded. You can go and click on save, and for you can even download the application if you want to just go and use it in the future as well. So now what you'll have to do is simply go and just double click on the file that you downloaded, and of course, and you should find this problem. So in order to don't have that, you'll need to go and download Sodium as well. So you can just go back in here as example, and the same as example websites, and of course you'll have to go and look for Sodium. So once you go and look for Sodium, so again, here is it. You can of course read everything that you want here. You can just go now to files. Again, of course, you'll have to look for 1.21.5, and you'll have to look for fabric. So you can just go here and click on download and the file again. So once it is downloaded, as you can see, now if we go and run this Sodium fabric as example, as you can see, so we still got this problem. So of course, you can just go back now, again in here, just go back one more, and here make sure to go and click on browse all. Once you do so, go here as an example in this list panel, click on shaders. In here, you should find the shader that suits your needs as example. So you can just browse the shaders that you want. And here as an example, let's say this one. Of course, you can see the videos and everything about it. And if you like this one as an example, then of course you'll have again to go to file and look for 1.21.5 and simply just go. Of course, if you have too much, just go for the latest version. Like as you can see, which is here R5.5.1. So again, just go here and click on download file, and it should be downloaded as well as a zip folder. So now the installation should not go as an example normally. Just go and click on it. What you'll have to do is simply go and open a new tab, and you can just go and look for Fabric Minecraft. Once you do so as an example, you'll have to click on the first link, and this should take you here. In here, of course, you'll have to go and click on download button at the top, then click on download an example for Windows. So here, let's just wait an example for it to downloaded. Let's just go and click on save, and as you can see, it is downloaded. You can also here get the Fabric API. You can just go and click on that as an example in here. Let me just wait for the page until it loads. So this should take you into the CurseForge again. Go click on files as an example again, and here make sure to go and get the API for 1.21.5 as an example this one, and latest version example this one. You can just go and click on download the file again. So right, it's downloaded now. So now you'll have to go to the downloads file that you have. As you can see, you'll find a lot of things downloaded, but what you'll have to start with is simply the Fabric installer. Let's just go and double click on that as an example, and this should take you here. Of course, just go and click on install, and let's just wait for it. So as an example, Fabric Loader has successfully been installed. I can just go and click on OK. So now I don't need this anymore. I can just go and close it. So now you'll just have to go and open your Minecraft launcher and simply go to installations, go and click on that and look for the Fabric Loader. Just go and click on the folder settings and or folder icon, and this should take you here. Here's an example. You'll have to go and look for the mods folder. As you can see, the folder will be empty. So all you need to do here, simply just go and take the files that you downloaded and simply tape them or paste them here in your mods folder. So basically it's going to be these three. So the Sodium fabric, Iris fabric, and the Optifine. Oh, sorry, not the Optifine. Optifine, it was for something else. And the Fabric API. So just go and take all of those and simply just go and put them here in the mods folder. Now you can just go to your launcher very easily, and on that, as an example, like Fabric, just go and click on play instead of the folder icon. So once you enter the game, here is example, you'll be taken to or you'll be finding yourself here. So just go and click on escape, and you'll have to click on options. So once you click on options, click on video settings, and of course here, normally for you here, you should find like a shader packs at the top right corner, because of course for me, I'm using like something different a little bit, so that's why I'm not gonna see it. So the mods that I just added, it will not work for me, but for you, it will definitely work. So just go and click on the shaders, and of course from there, you will be able to click on open shaders pack or folder. You should find this at the bottom, and of course they will basically take you to go and simply just add that shaders like folder that you downloaded earlier, and click on apply, then click on done, and the shaders should be applied to your Minecraft like a game. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.